In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Google Map information for total contact. So we've gone in here, we've already enabled it. I've showed you color settings. We've set up our slogan and branding. I've shown you how to set up Twitter, Facebook, your LinkedIn, your email. I've showed you how to do your phone and how to set up your Skype. Next will be the Google Map information. So if you want to turn that on, you'll click here and turn it on. Here's where you're going to enter your URL for Google Maps. So you'd put in your address up here and bring you up on the Google Map here. This little chain looking thing right here to the left, that's where you're going to get the link. So you'll click that. That's this top one here. You'll just copy and paste it. So we've copied it. We're going to paste it onto here. And then here you're going to enter the first line of your address, which would be your street number and street name. Insert that into there. And then this is your second line for your address, which would be your city, state, zip code. You place that into there. And if you do have more locations for your business, this is where you would enter the URL for more locations. And it's the same thing you did for this first one. You'll just look all of them up instead of a specific one. So we'll go down here and hit Save Options. Go over here, we'll refresh our page. So then the map icon shows up over here. Just click on it, and then here it shows up. And here you can play with it to readjust where the dot is, so that way it's lined up with where you are. So you'll have to go in and set that. And there's the dot right there. So if you want to leave it right there, you may have to do it a couple times to have it stay right there, but that's how you're going to set up your Google Maps for the total contact.